Everyone is clear? Just I have given, okay? So what is our roles and responsibilities? How to connect SAP? In real time also how to get it done. So any doubts? Hello? Any doubts? Any open questions even? Any open questions from anyone? Clear? Everyone? Everyone is clear? Yeah, yeah. Okay, nothing is there a day. So out of 100 plus out of 100 plus modules, SAP SD is the easiest module. So okay. I never dated. So always think in that way. Don't worry. Can you able to see my screen? Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as we discussed, right, our ultimate target to create the sales order in SAP system. Our ultimate target. Not only sales order, subsequently we'll create a delivery, we'll create a billing document and post into accounts. This is our ultimate target. So that is the testing part. See, in the calculator, suppose calculator, there is a circuit or something is there. Our ultimate target, if I want to calculate like this, what we supposed to do that in the calculator? We supposed to design first in the circuit. Am I right? Yes or no? Then only we will test. We will we will press 1 plus 1, 2 is coming or not. This way we are going to test it. Am I right? Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same fundamental rule. To create the sales order, suppose in one country, suppose they want to run their business in one country or 100 countries. Concept is same. If you know how to design a things for one country, it's the same for all the country. Second, so once you design, we are going to test it, whether it is working or not. So this is the first concept. Enterprise structure is the first concept. And second, yesterday I could see one guy is like next batch, 8 to 9 batch. He was asking, normally once you create the sales order, stock we required to do the delivery process. But to post the stock, this is a purely concept. ML is a activity is required. ML material ledger is mandatory. This is a purely required related to and FI. Without creating material master, he was asking me, sir, can you please activate material ledger? Then while activating material ledger, I got so many errors. Why? Because of he hasn't done these many things. Then I told him, why you are asking me? You supposed to complete all these concepts till today. Till this step. Then only you require ML activation. No, sir, I will do later. That way it will not work. It should be very, very sequential manner. Okay. How we learned A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the sequentially we learned in our education, right? So we didn't learn 1, 10, 15, 19, 20 like that. Okay. Not like that. It should be very sequential manner. So enterprise structure. What is the enterprise structure? So suppose we have a Sony. Sony is the company. Okay. Sony is the company, our client. Am I right? Sony is the company, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Sony,
sir.
Nestle, Johnson Johnson, Unilever, anything you can take. Okay. I'm just taking example. Okay. Under Sony, suppose they are running their business in India. IN00. 99% alphanumeric combination. In HP, suppose HP is the company. I worked for HP many years a day. I could see in HP IN11, SG11, MY11, PH11, AU11, ID11. Can you able to understand this specific to country or not? Anyone can guess? ID means? Can you guess?
Indonesia.
Indonesia, Australia, Philippines. See, yesterday also I shown, right? See, PH11. This way, CR, create memo. This is the CR number. See, Philippines. Take note they have created bill to party. Someone is locating in Philippines. See, all the tech systems incorporated. What are the things they sold? Something BU, HP, PDK 600, G6, G670 IDS. And one more. These are this is the main product actually. This is the bundle kind of. See, this way. OST, WA. These are the products. CPU, 1 core i7. See, this way RAM, 16 GB, that HP, right? See, this way PH11, Philippines. See? So this way we have a in HPND. So I am taking example as Sony and giving 00. It may be 11, it may be 00, it may be 01, whatever it may be. You can understand, don't worry. So this we will call it as company code, legal code. Legal, how it will be, IN00, SJ00, MY00, PH00, AU00. This is the legal name. How it will be? Sony India Private Limited. Like this, see? Like this. Sony India Private Limited. Like this or not? Yes or no? IN00 company code is a legal name. Like this, they will incorporate it with the government. Okay. So this is the code. This is the description. Like that. So we are talking about codes. How we are going to design these codes. If you are asking, I'm going to teach for one country, either one of the country. Okay. You are going to practice with one code that is for one country, like that. Okay. In real time, whether they are processing for one country or 100 countries, concept is same. Okay. This is a FI part in real time. Legal, all legals will taken care by FI. Creation and maintenance and collect from the business, everything FI part. Where is our part? In this code, suppose in India, see, branch code is there. Maratali branch, HDFC. Under branch, we have a IFC code and all. through IFSC code only they are running their business. Any transaction they are doing, IFSC code will update. So that IFSC code is linked to branch code. Branch code or bank code is a legal. So that's why here also 99% it will be same. Company code and sales organization. 99% in there. So for 4 to 5 days, it will be new and a bit confused. Definitely, you are new to this application. Okay, but after 5 days, once you start doing practice, you can understand. Okay, don't worry. What is the sales organization? What is the company code? What is the company? Definitely it's new. You have a bit confused, but blindly you have to follow how we have followed in our education. So beginning we had a such confuse. Once you start reading, you can understand. That's what I can. Sales organization. Any sales we are going to create in VA01, we have to specify which sales organization under that sales is happened. That is the identification. So that sales organization through updates in the reference company code, accounts and everything. That's why relation. Okay. Sales organization, distribution channel, division. It's a 2 digits code Sunday. 90% it will be 10. This one is a 00. 90% in real time. 00. That a 10% it will be judged. Common distribution channel, common division. Like that they will create. Okay. Nothing will happen with these two, but it's a mandatory. While creating sales order, what is the sales area they are using? What is the meaning of sales area? This is the one. I will write here. They will ask you in the interview. Sales area. Remember, there is no separate interview questions. Interview questions are inbuilt in your practice. Okay. What is meant by sales area? They will ask you in the interview. You can say it's a sales area, the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Distribution channel means, so that's what I'm telling. Sometimes they'll create a 10, 20, 30. They will ask us 10 for wholesaler differentiation, retailers, dealers, like that, based on the kind of distributors, okay, through which channel we are selling the goods to customer. That's why sometimes they will use judged, sometimes whatever, and don't worry. If you will be part of implementation, they will share the information. We are expert in SAP. That's it. Whatever they required, see, they required 40, we will create 50, you will create 60. Create. See what I'm trying to say? Whatever they required, we are going to provide. They required only judged. We need only one distribution channel. Fine. Can I create a judged? They'll say yes, it's a common distribution channel. Like that. Common list channel. Like that we create. Whatever they required. That is what we are learning. How to create the things. Okay. For our understanding, I'm giving these first two letters. Okay. Division and distribution channel. And second, sir, you are giving 4 digit, 2 digits. How do you remember? By practice only. This is the 4 digit space. This is the 2 digit space in the system also. If you're asking, in the place of 4 digit, can I give 3 digit space? I will give like that. Only 3 digits. It will work? Yes. If a client is asking, my code is IN0, SJ0, like that. Yes, it will allow up to 4 digit. You can give. Clear? Understanding? Hello? Everyone is understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a sales arc. Oh, yeah, it's already given, right? This is the SD part. In real time, if you will be part of implementation, so we will take it up. We means our team, SD team. Not only you, one person in the team. We have a people. Okay. This is the SD. So apart from sales organization, distribution channel division, sales office, sales group also there. Sometimes they require, sometimes they don't want this. Okay, it's optional. Okay, sales office is a again 4-digit. Sales group is a 3 digits code. Okay, this mainly reporting purpose only. In India sales area, suppose if they are going to create a sales order, IN00, from which sales office? Suppose state wise they have a sales offices. Karnataka sales office, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, Maharashtra, like that. So there is a multiple sales offices. When they are going to create a sales order, suppose here, see this we are going to in VA01 create the sales order. We will specify the IN00. Karnataka K10. End of the day, how many sales orders are created in India for Karnataka customers? They will get to easily report. One more they are creating. Many, suppose many. AP, like that. So, see, India itself, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Maharashtra, like that. See, some customers are locating in Karnataka, then while creating the sales order, they will use Karnataka sales office. So end of the day, India, how many orders are created? India itself, how many orders are created belongs to Karnataka customers. It's a reporting purpose. Okay. They want to create a multiple sales offices, we can able to create. IN, see, suppose KA10, AP10, TN10, like that. Okay. We are going to learn how to create a one code. One code is enough only. Next. When we are going to create a sales order, see, India, entire sales price and everything it will update in the backend company code. From which plant you will lift the material. That's why plant code is required. Plant means place where they will maintain the stock. This is also 4-digit code. It may be digits, it may be alphanumeric, it may be numeric. Okay, whatever they require. guy will taking care of. Inventory is a guy. Material management team will taking care of. Plant and storage location. Plant is a big place. In that raw material, finished goods, scrap, like parts, they will subdivided into different parts. This is store location also a place where they will keep the specific material type. Material type means so scrap relevant, finished goods relevant, raw material relevant in the plant. That's why one plant under multiple storage locations are there. This is also 4-digit. Next, last one. This is a SD relevant. Shipping point. What is the meaning of shipping? Anyone can guess? Why shipping is required?
Send the goods from location to another location.
Okay.
Customer
That is
supply to
that is
customer.
what delivery in our terminology. Shipping under delivery process is one of the part. One of the part you said. Picking, packing, loading, everything is a shipping activities. Okay, that's what. While creating the sales order, suppose shipping point is coming. Shipping point inside 2 days loading, 2 days picking, packing, loading, entire things. How many days? 4 days. Am I right? 4 days, right? Suppose I'm going to create a sales order. India. See, India under this is the shipping point. The shipping point inside 2 days and 2 days, total 4 days. While creating the sales order, this IN00 is coming. IN00 inside 4 days are there. If you're asking all these days, how we will get it from business only, don't worry. We are going to create based on the requirement. If that shipping point is required in the sales order, how many days also they will tell. Sometimes we will maintain 0. Okay. If 4 days, we'll calculate for our delivery. Today we are creating the sales order. System will give your shipment will so and so date. Today is a 9, 13th is your delivery. That's what, right? Amazon also will happen like that, right? When you are giving order. Yes or no? When
Yes,
you
sir.
are instantly system will give you your delivery will happen so and so date. How? Because of this setup. When IN00 is coming, some code, not only IN00, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Code, that's why we have to think, okay? Code inside 4 days. That a 4 days system can understand, and from today, 4 days will calculate. Even route it will come. Route also it will be there. In the future, we will discuss. Route inside, Suppose route code is a Hyderabad to Bangalore. Suppose this is the route code is coming in the sales order. Hyderabad, Bangalore. This code is coming in the sales order. Then code is nothing and code inside 3 days is there. Code inside 3 days is there. Okay. If this code 3 days will calculate in the sales order. So how it will happen? 4 days plus 3 days, total 7 days. So shipping is a 4 days, route is a 3 days, total 7 days. If you are creating sales order through India, so many people are joining now. So we have a class at 7:15 and okay, you have to join at 7:50 only. Why? Because I have a class at 8 o'clock, another batch. Okay, that is sharp. You have to join at that time. Otherwise, I will move that 8 o'clock batch to 8:10, and our batch will start at 7:30 if everyone is fine. Okay, that's way. But 7:30 it will be very sharp. Because of 8:10, we have a one more class, one more batch. Okay. Okay, fine. Coming to point. See, whatever I'm going to create, Sony sales organization. This is the sales organization, right? Whatever sales is happened through this code, entire legal postings and all respect to company code. And how we are going to lift this plant? How we are going to use shipping this shipping point? See, everything is there. When we are going to create the sales order, this is for India. Same as Singapore. Same structure. Malaysia, Philippines, Australia, like that. Concept is same. Doing under see Malaysia sales office people, any order is coming, they're going to use Malaysia code. India sales, Sony, I'm talking about Sony. India sales, Sony sales office, they'll use India codes. See how they are doing in the bank. Marathali HDFC branch, are they able to use KR Pro HDFC branch codes for any transaction? No, right? No, right? Hello, yes or no? Understood or not? In generic. They will not use, they will use Martali HDFC branch codes, bank code, IFC codes only they are going to use for their transactions. Same HDFC in Kerpuram. They will use their codes. For Kerpuram, what is the branch code, bank code, IFC code? Like that. So in the system, all codes are available. Suppose they are running their business in 100 plus countries. 100 plus countries have their own structure. Whenever orders are coming from customer, they will use in the respective country codes. That's it. This is what enterprise structure. Okay. Any doubts? This is the explanation. I'm just giving, okay? Explanation. Then we are going to see in the system. Okay. So any doubts? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So next step would be
Sir, actually, what is the difference between channel and division?
distribution channel is it's kind of through which channel we are selling. Wholesaler, retailer, distributors, like that. Sometimes some clients I could see common distribution channel like that, only one code. Sometimes they will use 10, 20, 30 like that. Division is a product lines. Suppose they will differentiate. There is a laptop division. Suppose I have taken example is a technology kind of, okay. Laptop under many models, right? Many models are there or not? Material 1, material 2, many models, right? Yes or no? All these are
Yes, sir.
one division. Laptop division. Laptop division means L1. Desktop. Desktop also materials are there. Some D, that one, that two, that three, like that. So there are many materials. These materials under desktop division, D1, like that. Okay. When we are going to create the material, so under which division? All materials under L1 only. So these all materials are under D1 only, like that. Okay. So product.
Krishna sir, one student is in waiting room.
Yes, sir. So a simple word is a division. What is meant by division? Product lines can be divided into different divisions. Product line of the business. This is the laptop division. This is the desktop division. This is the kind of net cables. Another is a server division, like that. There are many materials. Server itself is a many materials. So all these are grouped under one product line, like that. That is the meaning. Okay, division. That is also nowadays they're, I think, using common Z common division, like that. Some people will use differentiation 10, 20, 30, like that. Okay, depends on the business requirement we are going to configure in the system. Then depends on their product order they are going to use. Say sales area, right? As I mentioned, sales area is the mandatory. So they are going to use while creating the sales order. Say they will go to VA01. Suppose L1. So this is the 10. This is the wholesaler through we are selling. L1 is a laptop division or desktop division. They will enter like that. See, whatever they have given the requirement, based on that we have configured for what they are going to use in front end operation. That's it. End of the day. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It's a simple what is a product lines. Line of the business. So this is the enterprise structure. So we are going to see in the system. this book and I'm going to share with you people, of course, in the mail. I'm going to share with you. This is a very, very clear information to do your practice. Okay. Manual written book and a screenshot book. Two books I'm going to provide you. Okay. So this is the information I have already covered in the demo on Friday. Okay. Just to go through this, what are the concepts we are going to cover. And just now I said, right, this is also is a information, you just read it, okay? Company code. It is specify the legal entity which will taking care of the business process of a company. Company code is defined in a FI model. That's why you just read it, okay? Nothing is there. See, division also see the range of products or services for which the company doing sales can be divided into different divisions. Sales area. It's a important interview question. It is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, division. Okay. Sales area always represent the basic sales process of a company. Always represent that sales area in which country you are creating. So like that, okay. Sales area is nothing but three combinations. So this is what I just explained. Client is a company. It's a legal name. It's a dummy. It will not affect anywhere. It's a company, just a brand name. Company code is legal. Under one company code, see, sales organization, distribution channel, division. This is what sales area. Under this sales area, sales office and sales group. Then left side, plant. Plant is a, they will maintain the stock that belongs to company. See, end of the day, what is the stock, what is the value. That's why we are linking, and from which plant we are lifting the material to supply. That's what linking to sales organization distribution channel. That's what sales line. Sometimes they'll ask you, what is meant by sales line? Sales organization, distribution channel, plant. Then plant under shipping activities will happen, picking, packing, loading activities, and store location, subparts. That's what linking to plant. Same thing we are going to design in the system. This is for one country. 100 countries, 100 structures are there, as explained in the Excel. So tomorrow morning, I will explain you one by one how to create a company code, sales organization, distribution channel like that, and we have to link each other. Company code assigned to the company, sales organization assigned to company code, distribution channel division assigned to sales organization, like that. See, two parts: definition and assignment. So that part we will show you in tomorrow class. We are not running fast. I will go very, very slowly and I will make you understand from scratch. Okay. Whatever things we are going to discuss on the day, you have to spend for 30 minutes to do your practice anytime before going to bed. 30 minutes is more than enough to do your practice and learning and understanding. Okay. Clear? Any questions? So freshly this entire, so I will take either one of the country and so either one of the country or I will take any other country also. So like many countries are there, right? Myanmar, Myanmar, M100. Whatever country, okay, like that we can take. So Norway, NR00, Turkey, TR00, Italy, Israel, IL00, Netherlands, NL00. See, this way it will be in real time. Nothing is there. Belgium, BA00, US 00, Chile, CL00, Colombia, CO00, Mexico, MX00. It is there and all these are there in a HP. That's what I can easily enter, right? All this. Great Britain, GB00. See, this way even few more. a B11. Fine. Sometimes they'll say numbers, we need a 900. US 1800. Fine. Whatever they required. So we are going to create. Whether it is a numbers, whether it is a alphabets, whether it is a alphanumeric combinations. Whatever they required. Sir, if it is a numbers, suppose. In Apple project and numbers only. If you tag it to Apple client, suppose tomorrow, it is a numbers. How we can find? You are part of Apple team. 1 day is a new, 10 days is okay. 1 month, you are part of in Apple project. Fine, 1900 is for a Singapore Apple. Later onwards, any customer or any issue is coming with 1900, Singapore sales organization. Like that, you will be part of in that project for 1 month or more than 1 month, you can understand. You will follow that. That's it. So in Apple only, I could see only numbers. They are using numbers for country. That is the only project I could see. Majority clients, they are using alphanumeric. Okay. And country specific. Okay. Fine, Andy. That's it for today. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow. Meanwhile, we have to get it. I'm going to share these books, 2 books, and the SAP Access also once you confirmed. Okay. So you just connect with Chandra sir, okay? Me to get it all these things. Chandra, Satya sir, Chandra, or me, okay? Anyone, no issue at all. Thank you so much. That's it for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.